The Content Planner makes it easy to create and manage your website content in one place. Whether you're drafting new pages, assigning tasks to your team, or keeping projects on track, the Content Planner helps you stay organized from start to finish. To open the Content Planner, click Content in the main navigation bar. You'll see the Content dashboard. Here, you'll find all your sitemap pages, page templates, team assignments, and the project progress bar. To add content to a page, select it from the dashboard. You can add different types of content blocks, including text blocks for written content, image blocks for photos and graphics, video blocks for embedding media files, document blocks for attaching downloadable resources, for example, PDFs, Excel files, table blocks for creating structured content tables, notes blocks for internal instructions for collaborators, form blocks for adding registration forms, contact, or surveys, code blocks for displaying formatted code snippets. Click the type of content block you want, or drag and drop it into place. Assign team members to specific pages by selecting them from the Assigned To dropdown. You can also set workflow statuses like draft, in review, or approved to keep your team aligned and moving forward. Need to update several pages at once? Bulk actions let you assign users, set statuses, due dates, or templates in just a few clicks. The content dashboard includes filters that help you focus on what matters. Assigned To. See who's working on which page. Status. Track progress by filtering draft, in review, or approved pages. Show. Refine your view to display the most relevant content. You can also use the section filter to focus on a specific part of your sitemap. For more information, please visit the support site. Thanks for watching.